vlog is basically just going to be a compilation of a bunch of random footage that I have taken over the last like 2 weeks, I think. I started vlogging not too long ago, and then a lot just went on. I am in a new car, so a lot has been going on and I just never finished it, so I figured I would just put it all together because some of it's really cute, and I wanted to still share it, so I'm gonna just add all of that in here. I hope you guys enjoy. I am gonna be doing a car tour kind of video. I love watching those videos when people get new cars, so I will be doing one of those soon to show you guys because I'm super excited. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and let's go. Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. I probably should have started the vlog earlier this morning, but I didn't. It is now 1 o'clock. I just got done getting my hair done and I absolutely love it. Like, this is the best she has literally ever done. So I did get rid of the red and it looks black, but it's supposed to be like a chocolate brown, so it'll probably fade, which is fine. That way the roots will be closer to like my natural color when it grows out. And then she did a really good job on the blonde. I just love it a lot. And then I also got it cut to all one length. Normally for like the past 2 years I've had kind of like a bob, almost like a longer bob, where it's longer in the front, shorter in the back, but I just decided because it had gotten pretty long that I could cut it to one length, and I want to just grow it out for a while and see how long we can get it before I cut it off again. I just thought it would be something fun to do in the new year. So yeah, I absolutely love it, and I am now on my way to my in-laws' house. They got a new puppy, so I want to go see her. I have to clean the house that I cleaned this afternoon, so I figured I'll kill some time by going over there and playing with the puppies. So that is what we are doing. And I don't know what else I'll vlog. I'll obviously probably vlog the puppy, and then we'll see. You got me? You got me. Guys, happy Friday. I don't know what day it is for you, but I hope you're having a great day. Me and Millerman here are heading to work. I'm just gonna combine all of this footage that I've been taking into one vlog. So yeah, I finally got a car mount. Well, I didn't get it, I found it. I think we got it in Dirty Santa last Christmas, So yeah, I was going through some stuff and I found it, so I remembered to put it in the car today. So I'm super excited about that. Because I have been wanting to get one for the car for so long, since I vlog a lot in the car. But yeah, we have walked all the dogs this morning. They are eating breakfast now and we are heading to work. Tomorrow is my birthday, so we will just do whatever today, and then I'll start a new vlog tomorrow for my birthday. But yeah, I think we're just gonna stop and get some breakfast as usual, and then we'll be good to go. I don't know what he's looking at. Come here. You say good morning? Can you say good morning? Yeah? He's on the hunt. You're on the hunt this morning, huh? What'd you see out there? Alright, let's go. Man.
Willow, you're so precious. Willow.
Hi, Bubba.